Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a professional creamery? Today, we're diving deep into the CREAMi Deluxe 11-in-1 ice cream maker. This isn't just your average ice cream machine, it's a total game changer for anyone who loves frozen treats. Whether you're craving decadent gelato, a healthy fruit sorbet, or a refreshing slushie, this machine promises to do it all at the touch of a button. What makes the deluxe version stand out? First, it's the capacity. It comes with 24-ounce XL family-sized containers, giving you 50% more ice cream than the original model. But the real magic is in the 11-in-1 functionality. You have dedicated programs for ice cream, sorbet, light ice cream, gelato, milkshakes, soft serve, and even new additions like slushies, Italian ice, frozen drinks, creamachinos, and frozen yogurt. With Ninja's Creamify Technology, the dual-drive motors shave ice particles into a smooth, creamy texture in minutes. The best part? You are in total control of the ingredients. You can make low-sugar, keto, or high-protein treats that actually taste like the real deal. Simply prep your base, freeze it for 24 hours, and let the CREAMi Deluxe do the work. One extra toppings, the mix-in function allows you to fold in chocolate chips, nuts, or candy perfectly throughout your pint. Plus, all the containers, lids, and the paddle are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Don't just take my word for it, customers are absolutely obsessed. One verified buyer mentioned, "This is a game changer for my fitness journey. I can turn a protein shake into thick, delicious ice cream that satisfies my cravings without the guilt." Another reviewer highlighted its versatility, saying the slushie and frozen drink modes are worth the upgrade alone. It makes better frozen margaritas and slushies than any blender I've ever owned. People also love how the respin function ensures the perfect texture every single time. If you want the freedom to create customized, cafe-quality frozen treats right at home, the Ninja CREAMi Deluxe NC501 is a must-have appliance. It's powerful, versatile, and incredibly fun to use. Check out the link in the description to grab yours and start creating your own signature flavors today.